Hi guys, today we're going to assemble a commercial brood chamber. So there's 4 pieces to a commercial brood chamber. 2 of them got rails internally and slots which the frames sit on. You'll see that as you go along. And you've got 2 straight sides. All 4 have handles cut into them to allow you to lift the box on any side when moving. We'll start off by just preparing some timber. I start with the 2 sides that's got the rails on them first, and we'll lay those down for nailing. As a standard, we use 2-inch galvanized nails for assembling commercial boxes. Next step, guys, is we get ready with some glue for the boxes. I stand it up and I generally run up and down the joints. Glue helps seal the box and keep it firm over time. When that's done, just set one side down for a little bit, pop this side together. At the moment, guys, I'm not too worried about lining up the sides of the box or anything and just tapping it together. Once I like that now, I'm going to square up one side. I'm just going to nail it here. That's okay for the time being, we'll get to that when we turn it to nail. Turn the box out here. As you can see, that's still loose. So just going to straighten it up here. Pull it together. Flip over the box now. So just make sure that the 2 internal walls are matching one another here with the angle. Alright, I'm just going to nail them in now. After that's done now guys, we'll just repeat the process on the other two sides. On to that side. Some people prefer just to nail each one individually. That works too, it's just slightly faster process for us here. Next step is we put in the runners. The advantage of the runners is it creates a bee space underneath, and it also means when you put the frames down into place that you're not actually crushing the bees. With the runners we use the same frame nails that we would have used for putting the frames together. So as you can see, the runners finished flush and turn in the box, and we can easily set a frame in. You can see it here. So that's a commercial brood chamber assembled.